Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ryan again with another video. Just wanted to let you guys know, if you're new to the channel, to like, comment, and subscribe and smash that like button. Today I'm bringing you guys more content on the 2021 SQ5 Sportback. So this is Audi's newest model that they brought over, and like I said, this one's painted in the quantum gray metallic. Sorry about that, I shoot these raw, so no metallic on that paint. It's going to be the quantum gray. 21-inch wheel package with the S Sport, so it has the red calipers, so that means it'll have the adaptive differential. At the same time, it's going to have the air suspension. In this one, they didn't opt for the hot pipes, so those are going to be the fake exhaust tips there, and the exhaust will actually shoot out of the bottom. Some more angles, guys, of that Sportback. Very, very sleek. A lot of people are responding very well to it. They're saying it really looks sleek, and they're getting a lot of compliments. This one, guys, is a Prestige, so every option. And it has the blackout package, as you can see from the grille. Everything is all blacked out. And this one's got the Rotor gray interior, Bang & Olufsen. There's kind of the steering wheel there. Full digital dash. So there's the gray leather, the embossed S logo. And then again, with the SQ5s, you get a lot of the carbon fiber as an option. This one has it selected. Rotor gray interior. So you get the handles that are gray, the backs of the seats are gray. Oh no, it's like Q5 all-weather mats. I know you guys want to see it, so here it is underneath the hood. V6, turbocharged. So this puts out about 364 horsepower with right about 360 pounds of torque as well.